Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Julia. In today's video I just did a tutorial. So I did unboxing last week, and the video is already up. If you want to check that video out, you are welcome. I got two eyeshadow palettes from that gift bag. So this is one of the eyeshadow that came with the gift bag. Apparently this eyeshadow is a collab. It's called Beauty Legacy, not Legacy Beauty. And so this is the eyeshadow I use. It's face and eyeshadow. So it's a collab from a beauty guru, YouTuber called Maxi. Switch it up with some of this glitter. This is what you see up here. So if you want to know how I put this look together today, and just keep watching, and I will see you on the other side. And while you are there guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the other side. Okay, let's get started. The palette I'm using, like I showed you before, here is the palette. Just gonna prime my eye with P. Louise base, just dapping it down. The first shade I'm going in with is called Smoke. Applying Smoke on my lid. This shade, guys, is wow. It's gorgeous. Then the next shade I move on with is Pastel. I'm just dapping Pastel on my brow bone area. I will dap it first, then I will blend. You guys are very familiar with my techniques by now, so I'm just blending now. I'm still blending. This shade is gorgeous. These two shades I've used so far, the pigment, oh, kill me with ya. I truly like it. I can use this palette every day for everyday look. It's travel friendly palette anyway. It's truly good. Then the next shade is called Brick, which is lighter. So what I did here, I used Brick to blend between the first shade and the second shade. So I will not have like a line of markation or unblended matte on my lid. I want everything to be blended, if you know what I mean. Of course you do know what I mean. I'm still blending. Once I've done that, the next shade is Night. Is the darker shade on a palette. I just want that area to be slightly darker. Then I move on with Smoke, the same brush I'm still using. I just want to cover that P. Louise base, so I can have my whole lid, everything just blend. Have you seen that, guys? I can go out with this, me, so far I like it so far. The next step, Glitter Fizz Gel. I realized that when I apply that Fizz Gel on my lid, it just make my shimmer stick to my hooded eye. At this point I don't even need to cut my crease. It's truly this technique. I just discovered this technique on my previous video, and I truly like it, because when I move my eyes up and down, I will just have a big massive line and all. But with this technique, everything just stay in place all day. There is no separation throughout the day. Then I will use my duo glue, lash glue. I just want a dot all over my lid, because I'm going to apply that glitter. All I want is a dot, but I'm going to end up with full glitter all over my lid. So I'm applying that glitter now. It's so hard to pick. It's unbelievable. Oh my days. I was like, whose idea is this, Julia? I was just questioning myself in my head, because I can't take that glitter to save my whole life. So once I've done that, I move on to eyeliner. I'm using tattoo eyeliner gel from L'Oreal. This eyeliner is truly good, all black, and it stays, doesn't wipe off at all. gonna do the rest of my face off camera. Now that I'm back, I'm using smoke for my bottom lash. Once I'm done with smoke, I will move on to patel. I'm doing the other eye now anyway. So patel, I will use patel to lighten under my eye just slightly because it's very pigmented. So I truly enjoy this palette though. Although that purple shade is not showing on my skin at all. The purple shade that came with the palette is called Orchard. It's not showing. So I just like leave it. But the rest I enjoy. Then on my inner corner, I use crystal on my inner corner. Then I also use liquid glitter gel on my curl crease. So the eyeliner I'm using now is Off-White from Primark. I thought I would just do something different instead of black eyeliner all the time. You know, just to open my eyes a bit. Just to open my eye a bit. Then I'm using mascara from Revolution. I think it's newly released or something. It's really good. I use it every day. Then I apply lashes, and here is now the final look. What do you think, guys? Did you enjoy this tutorial? Did you like this look? If you did, give me a thumbs up, share my video, subscribe to my channel, and also follow us on Instagram. I will see you guys on my very next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.